My name is Henrik Ebbesen. I am 29 years old and run Ebbesen I here together with my older brother. We have 890 cows and we manage 1,035 hectares. We have invested in the NIR sensor on the silo king to be able to measure dry matter, but it has made things a lot easier with our feed leftovers. We don't have as much leftover feed and it's more stable. Also, the entire DTM program, well, it just makes everyday work easier. And the app makes it easy to record feed leftovers. It's easy to adjust the amount of dry matter per cow up or down. I don't have to go around taking dry matter samples once a month or every 3 weeks or whatever I usually do in the oven. It just works based on our KMPs. If the feed plan is correct, then we can make it so that there's almost no leftover feed and it's the same every day. Well, absolutely. Others should definitely invest in an NIR sensor because it just makes everyday life easier, and financially it's simply fantastic. It really helps bring the wagon home because yes, we don't have those extra costs that just go to leftover feed.